Hey folks, Shawn Plummer over at the Annuity Expert. In today's video, we're going to answer the question, isn't an annuity the same as an IRA? And then we're going to talk about, basically answer questions when it comes to an IRA annuity, how it's set up, what rules apply, and just common questions our clients typically ask us when they're looking to set up an IRA annuity or roll over a retirement account like a 401k or 403b into an IRA annuity. So, let's start with the first question. Is an annuity the same as an IRA? No, an annuity is an insurance product. An IRA is a tax qualified account. They both serve different roles, but can be used together as like a hybrid. Okay, so think of it as the IRA. The analogy I typically use is an IRA annuity is kind of like an Uber driver. The car is the annuity, okay, taking you where you need to go, and the IRA is the driver. Okay, so think of it that way. What is an annuity IRA? It's an annuity held within an IRA. The IRA provides the same tax rules, and the annuity provides growth protection or income for that IRA. It's one of the most common methods of funding most annuities in the United States. Typically, when you're funding some sort of annuity, it is coming from like I mentioned earlier in the video, a retirement account like a 401k, 403b, savings plan, 457b plan, a Roth IRA, and a traditional IRA, SEP IRA, simple IRA, etc. And what happens is outside of the traditional IRA or the SEP IRA, you're rolling it over into a traditional IRA annuity. If you have a Roth IRA annuity, that's a different story. That you're going to do what's called not a rollover, but a direct transfer. And so you'll go from Roth IRA to Roth IRA annuity. And when you do these rollovers or direct transfers, there's no sort of tax consequences for making that rollover, as long as the contract is set up correctly. And the good news is the institutions or the insurance companies do that for you. You just fill out the paperwork or the application when you sign up for an IRA annuity or a rollover. And they make sure that everything's set in place so that there's no early withdrawal penalty from the IRS or tax consequence, etc. Let's see some other questions. Do IRA annuities follow the same rules as an IRA? Yep, sure does. We've got RMDs at age 73. You withdraw from it pre-59 and a half. There's a 10% penalty-free withdrawal. Taxes are the exact same. So 100% of it is taxable as ordinary income, federal and state income tax. The main thing when you're buying an IRA annuity is you're trying to grow it, and at the same time, you're trying to get the tax deferred status, and you're trying to get some sort of insurance on that the IRA doesn't run out of money, and you can get an income for the rest of your life. So, other than that, that's just to kind of recap. IRA annuity is just an IRA in an annuity package. You're going to get the same benefits as an IRA. You'll get the same benefits as an annuity. You can roll over a retirement account like a 401k, 403b, 457b, thrift savings plan into an IRA annuity without a taxable event happening to you. Same rules apply at a traditional IRA as it does with a IRA annuity. Just know that. I hope that answers your question as quickly as possible. If you have any specific questions about your specific niche scenario, go to your favorite search engine, type in the Annuity Expert, and give us a call, 770-755-1565, and we'll be able to answer any questions that you may have, free of charge, no obligation. Hope all is well. Like, subscribe, and we'll catch you on the next video.